How's it going, everybody? I'm Daniel, you're watching Daniel Tech, and today I'm going to teach you how to correctly pair your Apple Watch to your iPhone. Okay, keep in mind that the purpose of this video is not to teach you how to pair it for the first time, like when you open it out of the box, your first Apple Watch, because that's pretty easy. The point of this video is to teach you how to correctly pair. Let's say if you need to reset your Apple Watch, like you need to erase it and now you need to pair it all over again. Or maybe you bought your second or third a new Apple Watch, okay, and you don't need to lose all of that information, how to pair it to your phone. Or even you need to unpair it for some reason because your Apple Watch had a problem and you need to pair it all over again. And even if, let's say, you need to restore your phone itself, sometimes when you restore your phone, when you erase your phone, you need to actually pair your Apple Watch all over again, okay? So I'm going to teach you how to correctly pair, okay, if you did any of those things, okay? So it's like a second pair or a third pair, it's not the first out of the box pair, okay? So let's go ahead and get started because we have a couple options and I'm going to show you guys both of them and the advantages and disadvantages. So there are two ways you can pair your Apple Watch. Option number one is set it as a new Apple Watch, set it as a new device, which means you will lose all your information and your Apple Watch will look like it's out of the box, factory settings, you will lose everything, okay? That's not the point of this video, mostly. The point of this video is showing you how you can pair your Apple Watch and recover all the information, restore all your information. And you can do that using the Apple Watch iCloud backup, which most people don't know it actually exists. The thing is, you don't need to manually enable an iCloud backup for your Apple Watch. It is automatically enabled when you back up your iPhone, okay? If you don't understand a lot about backups, I made a video recently talking about everything related to backups, and I'm going to put a card right here and I'm going to put the link in the description as well. But in summary, when you create an iPhone iCloud backup, it automatically creates an Apple Watch iCloud backup. So that's pretty much all you need to do. Okay, so the most important thing here is if you want to sell your Apple Watch and buy a new one, or just buy a new one and restore the information, you necessarily need to do an iPhone iCloud backup. Okay, you need to have that backup from your phone in order to restore to a new Apple Watch, or maybe if you just want to erase this one, format, reset, the name you want to call it. In order for me to show it to you, I'm gonna manually unpair my Apple Watch. So I'm gonna go to the Apple Watch app, then go click on my Apple Watch right here, click on the information icon, and then unpair Apple Watch. Okay, so unpair Daniel's Apple Watch. Then I'm gonna put my Apple ID password, and then it's unpairing Apple Watch. Okay, so your iPhone is currently unpairing Apple Watch, and yeah, that's pretty much it. It's unpaired. Okay, as you guys can see, there's still this wheel being filled here on my Apple Watch, just meaning now it is unlinked from this iPhone. Okay, this is the same thing as if I wanted to reset my Apple Watch or anything like that. Okay, so this is the process. Okay, so now that I finished unpairing, I was greeted with that screen. So normal screen to pair an Apple Watch, so continue, and then we're gonna go to our Apple Watch app. So normal standard process, okay, is paired. So now that's the tricky part. So restore from backup or set up as a new Apple Watch. So as I mentioned, if you want to set up as brand new, go ahead, no brainer. If you want to restore from backup, that's the part where that iCloud information I mentioned goes in action. So restore from backup, and then we're gonna see a few backups that I automatically have. None of these were made automatically. None of these were made manually. All of these were made automatically. Okay, so today and a few days ago. So I'm just gonna check this one from today. Okay, so this is the most updated backup that I have. So now it's just a matter of terms and conditions, and it's gonna have activation log, of course. Okay, now that we're done with the activation log part, I'm gonna go in okay with theory, okay with share settings. Let's create a passcode. Heart health, continue. Apple Pay, continue. Emergency SOS. And Apple Watch is syncing. And as you guys can see, I've got my Apple Watch exactly the way it was. My watch face is exactly the way it were. I was exactly showing you guys with this setup before doing this unpairing process. And that's pretty much it. As you guys can see, I didn't lose any information. I don't have to set up absolutely anything. All my apps are here. Okay, so that's pretty much it. If you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button, click on my face right here in this bubble to subscribe to my channel, and also click on this video that I'm pretty sure you're gonna love. If you have any further questions, please make sure to hit the comment section below, and I'll see you next week. Bye bye.